You guys are absolutely crazy, and I mean that in the best way possible. But thanks to you guys, we had our absolute best Black Friday ever here at PCBros.tech. With hundreds of orders and a lot to get done, we're gonna have to take a break from our normal Toasty Bros content to come back to PC Bros to build all those computers and get them shipped out to you guys. So let's dive into a day in the life of PC Bros after Black Friday. But before we do that, let's hear a word from today's sponsor. Are you tired of your unactivated Windows install on your gaming PC? Well, today's video sponsor, GVG Mall, has you covered. GVG Mall is an online marketplace to gain access to really awesome discounted game keys and, more specifically, as we mentioned, Windows 10 licenses.
It is incredibly easy to get your Windows 10 or 11 activation key from GVG Mall. Just use code TB20 to get a special discount, and then all you have to do is take that code, put it into Windows, and boom, you have an activated Windows copy.
We have been working with GVG Mall for several years now, and we love the reliability of all the products they have to offer. So be sure to check the link in the description down below. Use code TB20 to save on your next purchase of a Windows key or other product from GVG Mall. All right, the day is starting. The day is the starting. All right, we're already off to a great start. All right, we are going to be starting the PC Bros Black Friday catch-up day.
Over 100 orders right now, and that includes merch, computers, build consultations. So yeah, so we're setting up the stream right now. If you guys didn't know, we stream on Twitch Monday through Friday and even Sundays for gaming.
So we're gonna go live and going. 10:38. We had quite a long stream building this computer over here, but
it still needs more.
It still needs more work, but it's built. And now we're on to the old reliables, the staple computers, and we're pretty much almost done here. Jack's will be able to power it on and show you guys what it looks like.
We ready?
Yeah, I think we're ready.
Yeah, all right. Watch it not turn on. This is not a reflection of PC Bros.
This is not a reflection. This is a reflection of PC Bros.
It's a reflection of PC Bros. We know what we're doing.
But yeah, guys, we're 2 builds in. Obviously, with these staple builds, we could crank them out a lot quicker. That one maybe took like 15 minutes, if I had to guess.
What's the most PCs we built in a day? We were thinking maybe like 5, which we've done a lot. Should we try to beat the record? I guess 130?
Yeah, about 130 is when we got to stop to film something else, but let's just try to beat the record. Let's just keep it going and just keep building computers and see what else we can get.
All right, well, let's get this one out there and go grab another order.
Oh, it's a Zach Sheehy. Are you hiding? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right, tell the people how happy you are with all the orders they gave us.
Oh, I'm very happy, but I'm going to have to do all the work, so...
Hey, but that's why we're here. We're filming today because we're building PCs with you guys today. Pretty much most of the day today.
Check out PC Bros YouTube.
Dude, this looks terrifying.
I promise we don't just lock him in there and make him work.
This is my dungeon. Help, help.
So this person took advantage of the free t-shirt, so they got a large, which I do appreciate, PC Bros t-shirt. There you go, large t-shirt that we'll include in the order. Let's go ahead and get building.
All right, guys, what is this, build number 3?
Build number 3 for Samuel, and this is our Plus streamer, and they got a t-shirt for free with it. Here's your free t-shirt, here's your PC. Let's go ahead and get another PC going.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Another Plus streamer build. The other builds, we're kind of waiting on parts. You know, it's kind of how Black Friday, that's what we tell people, guys. Be careful about waiting for your stuff because you may not be able to get anything if you wait.
We build computers. Yeah. This is build number 4, right?
Build number 4.
Build number 4.
Yep.
I will say,
I don't do this every day.
We're gonna be doing a setup review, which stay tuned for that video. After doing all this, that setup review is gonna either be great and we're gonna just like be all into it, or it's gonna be the worst video we've ever made. What is
that Furry Potter?
Okay.
Something doesn't, okay,
All right.
Look at this picture really closely. Playing system moving down.
So is this what's happening with this setup?
I think if we were going straight into PC build, yeah, I'd probably hate it, but because it's not a PC build, I think I'll be fine. I think it'll just be like a normal video.
Among Us?
Imposter syndrome?
Build number 4. Hit that
Build
power
number 4.
button.
Just gonna work, guys.
It's just that easy, guys. It's that easy. Build number 5.
So yes, we get to do another build, guys, and it is a Plus streamer again. And this one's
Wow.
going to Magali. They did get the upgrades though, and then we will be actually doing a different build. Like this one.
What is this?
A Ryzen 32 or 5600G, and wow, they really upgraded. 1 terabyte and 32 gigs of RAM, and that's going to Eric. He might have a graphics card on hand that he wants to plop in there.
But just know, it's gonna be the same case. Same build. We're falling apart. Build number
5.
I don't even know numbers
Is it 5
anymore.
or 6?
5. Guys, I swear this is build number 5.
Build number, we're just turning the same one on over and over again.
Build number 5, baby.
We are good. Do we have RGB changeable modes? Yes, we do. Shout out to Magali. Every single one of these names have been very unique names, which I appreciate, guys. But now we're gonna actually be switching it up. We're doing one of our Upgrade Path Pros, which is just a 5600G. So that'll be a really simple build. We're out of tape.
We're out of tape.
We're out of tape. How are we going to ship all these PCs?
Are we actually completely out of tape?
Are we?
By the way, guys, here's a quick little tour of the shipping and fulfillment center. He's getting his tape out, but yeah, we're packing stuff up. Look at all those boxes, almost ready to go. These ones are ready to go. We already got, what, 5, 6, 7, 8
Yeah.
computers? I have your young prodigy now.
Young Prodigy. Proof that we're not building the same PC over and over
That's a
again.
different computer. Yeah, buddy! Hold on,
Oh,
wait.
yeah.
Wait, ramp hasn't turned on yet. Up there it is. Yeah,
So
buddy.
we're, what is that, 6 for 6?
6 for 6.
So I guess we'll see if do we have anything else, or do we kill them all? I don't know. I
Did we kill them all? How's the weather down there?
think it's starting to rain.
It's starting to rain
God,
now.
what if the roof leaked that bad?
Look at PC Bros. Well-oiled machine.
Is it another 5600G? Oh my God, yes.
Yes, baby.
Wow.
I'm beginning to feel emptiness on the inside.
So we have another Upgrade Path Pro 5600G. This one just got a 500 and a 16 gigs all stock, and this one's going to Amber.
You better run away, boy. You better run away. PC number 7.
Shout out to Amber once again. PC number 7. We're gonna take a quick intermission because what is it? You got to record an intro.
Yeah,
And
for
then
another video that's going live today.
Yeah, today. Jonah needs to get B-roll, so I need to give up this table for a little bit, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure out something.
12:36. We told ourselves around 1:30-ish is when we'll stop. So maybe we'll fit in one, maybe 2 more builds.
Yeah. Well, guys, since Matt is watching a video, and then I'm kind of just chilling, Jonah wanted to build a PC. He's building one for a Melanie, and this is it's actually one that Matt and I haven't built. It's the i3 12100. We'll touch in once it's done, okay?
Yeah, we'll make sure it works.
Currently sitting on the floor because 8 computers later, I'm ready for a nap. Guys, it is currently 1:35. We're 5 minutes over time. Sue us. I don't know what you want to do about it, but we are over time and we're about to turn on build number 8.
Build number 8, which was mostly Jonah. He volunteered. He wanted to build this.
Wow, look at that.
Got one to sign.
Oh, someone wants it signed? Well,
Wow.
we have new silver Sharpies.
Where are they at?
Yeah,
Jonah-
the bin.
Jonah
I put a
knows.
bunch in a bin.
It's a great way to end this. We're gonna sign. All right, cool. Signed, sealed, delivered. And we turned on the computer. We've done 8 builds. Things are falling apart. It's insane. But yeah, we finished today's, day in the life because we have to film a setup review video now. Kermit Aquila Gaming. So yeah,
we do.
hopefully you enjoyed this chaotic video. This was honestly just an excuse for us to be able to film a video and also help PC Bros out because you guys were awesome with the Black Friday sales. So big shout out again. And also buy stuff in December because we'll be having some cool sales for December. Not really sure what's going to be yet, but there will be sales.
Santa Claus will be coming into town. Well, guys, this video is time to come to an end, but we will still probably be building PC Bros builds even after this video. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's little vlog style video. Like I said, get us to 1 million freaking views in this video and we will do something crazy, I promise.
I don't have anything else to say.
Yeah,
promise.
So, make sure you guys check out the other YouTube channels. Make sure you guys check out our twitch.tv/ToastyBros. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Pinky Tech sucks.
So this exact PC right here is not for sale at PC Bros because a customer already bought it. And look, we even put some custom vinyl on it, but you can buy this exact PC at PCBros.tech, just not this exact one.
PC Bros.
Makes sense.
Yeah, PCBros.tech. I was just so excited to tell you guys about the awesome sales we're running through Black Friday, which you're watching this past Black Friday, so you missed it. Sad. But if you're watching this in December, which I think this video goes live December 1st, you can save some money using some discount code that'll go right here. There you go, McAllister. Put a code right there, buddy.